To increase the sending limit, certain steps can be taken. The sending limit is specific and based on factors such as country of residence, destination country, and regulatory requirements. To begin, verifying your account is necessary, which involves confirming your identity by providing a valid government-issued ID and a recent selfie. This initial process is crucial for increasing the sending limit. Additionally, providing proof of funds may be required, which includes submitting documents that demonstrate the source of your wealth, such as recent bank statements, employment contracts, or other payment proofs of income. It is also important to understand that some sending limits are fixed over specific time periods. So if a limit is reached and the required documentation cannot be provided, it may be necessary to wait until the limit resets. If difficulties or further clarification are needed, contacting customer support for assistance is an option, and they can be reached through the app, official website, or for personalized assistance. By following these steps, it is possible to increase the sending limit, and if assistance is needed, help is available.